Here is a brief guide on installing the Bybrand Outlook add-in. Visit the menu Integrated Apps and install the Bybrand add-in for Outlook by clicking on Upload Custom Apps. Select the option Office add-in and upload the XML file from your computer or using the direct URL. Click to install the add-in across your entire organization or for a specific group of users. Finally, you must accept the permissions. Then, click Next to begin the deployment.